The Olympic Games are some of the most celebrated sporting events in the world. They are divided up into the Summer Olympics and Winter Olympics and held every 4 years. But the sporting events we watch now are somewhat different from events in the past. Let's lace up and take a look at how the Olympics have changed over the years. We'll start with the Summer Olympics. The first Summer Games were held in 1896 in Athens, Greece. They were attended by around 245 athletes from 14 countries. All the athletes were men as women were not allowed to compete in the Games until the year 1900. The first Summer Olympics included 43 events such as cycling, swimming, gymnastics, weightlifting, wrestling, fencing, shooting and tennis. Over time, some events were added to the Games, and some were removed. Some of the events removed include croquet, cricket, baseball, and motor boating. The next Summer Olympics are scheduled to be held in 2021 in Tokyo and will include events such as karate, skateboarding and surfing, as well as see the return of baseball to the summer events. The first Winter Olympics were held in 1924, in Chamonix, France. There was a total of 258 athletes from 16 countries. At this time, the Summer and Winter Games were held in the same year. It wasn't until 1992 that it was decided to separate the Games into different years. The first Winter Olympics contained 16 events in fields such as curling, bobsleigh, hockey, skating and skiing. Over time, sports such as hockey and figure skating were removed from the Winter Games, only to be reintroduced at a later time. Other events such as alpine skiing, freestyle skiing and luge have been added. The next Winter Games are set to be held in 2022 in Beijing, China. And there you have it. There's a brief look at how the Olympics have changed since the first Games over 100 years ago. We can only guess at what games might be included in future Olympic events. Take care and I'll see you later.
大家好，我们来复习影片的英文单字。Sporting， 这个单字的意思是体育的，通常是指形容体育比赛、竞争或其他与体育相关的活动。例如 ，The Olympic Games are one of the most celebrated sporting events in the world。这句话的意思是，奥运会是世界上最受欢迎的体育的盛事之一。Divide up， 这个单字的意思是分割，通常是为了将整体分解为更小的部分或将空间或资源分配给不同的人或群体。例如 ，We need to divide up the cake into equal slices so everyone gets a fair share。这句话的意思是，我们需要将蛋糕分割成平均分量，以便每个人都能公平分享。Lace up， 这个单字的意思是绑鞋带，通常是指将鞋带绑起来或拉紧。例如 ，I always make sure to lace up my hiking boots tightly before hitting the trail。这句话的意思是，在踏上小径之前，我总是确保把登山靴绑鞋带牢牢地绑好。Athlete， 这个单字的意思是运动员，通常是指参加各种体育竞赛或比赛的人。例如 ，The young athlete trained for months before finally qualifying for the national team。这句话的意思是，那位年轻的运动员训练了好几个月，最终才有资格入选国家队。Cycling， 这个单字的意思是自行车比赛，通常是指参加各种体育竞赛或比赛的人。例如 ，Cycling is a great way to stay fit and enjoy the outdoors at the same time。这句话的意思是，自行车比赛是保持身形和同时享受户外风光的好方法。Cricket， 这个单字的意思是板球。通常是指英国常见的运动之一。 板球比赛由2支由11名球员组成的队伍进行，使用木质球棒和球来进行比赛。例如 ，Some people find cricket boring, but I enjoy the strategy and precision required to play the game well. 这句话的意思是，有些人认为板球很无聊，但我喜欢这个游戏所需的策略和精确性。Surfing. Surfing. 这个单字的意思是冲浪，通常是指在海上或海浪上使用冲浪板进行运动的活动。例如 ，My dream is to travel the world and experience the best surfing spots in each country. 这句话的意思是，我梦想着环游世界，体验每个国家最棒的冲浪地点。Separate. Separate. 这个单字的意思是分开。通常是指将事物或人们分开或区分开来。例如 ，It's important to separate your recyclables from your regular trash in order to help the environment. 这句话的意思是，为了帮助环境，我们需要分开可回收物与普通垃圾。Skiing. Skiing. 这个单字的意思是滑雪。通常是指人们在雪地上穿着滑雪板滑行的活动。例如 ，I'm not very good at skiing, but I still enjoy hitting the slopes with my friends. 这句话的意思是，我不太擅长滑雪，但我仍然喜欢和朋友一起滑雪。Brief. Brief. 这个单字的意思是简短的。通常描述事物或信息的长度或持续时间很短暂。例如 ，The CEO gave a brief introduction to the new project during the company meeting. 这句话的意思是 CEO 在公司会议上对新项目进行了简短的介绍。以上就是今天的单字介绍，希望这些单字能够帮助大家提高英语能力。谢谢大家。